Hey everyone! Today, we've got an incredible discovery to share with you. A breakthrough that's reshaping our understanding of how plant leaves evolved. Scientists have just revealed new insights from a 407 million-year-old plant fossil, and it's challenging some long-held beliefs about the famous Fibonacci spirals we see in nature. Let's dive into how this ancient plant is changing the game in the world of botany and mathematics. Welcome to Trendstorm. Chapter 1. The Fascination with Fibonacci Spirals. Before we jump into the discovery, let's talk about Fibonacci spirals. These spirals are part of a mathematical sequence discovered by the Italian mathematician Leonardo Fibonacci. They're everywhere in nature, from sunflower heads to pine cones and even in the swirling pattern of hurricanes. Over 90% of the spirals we see in plants today are Fibonacci spirals, which has led scientists to believe that these patterns were an ancient feature that evolved early on in the history of land plants. Chapter 2. The Revolutionary Discovery. But here's where things get really interesting. An international team of researchers, led by the University of Edinburgh, has discovered non-Fibonacci spirals in a plant fossil that's over 400 million years old. This plant, known as Asteroxylon macchiae, was part of the earliest group of leafy plants on Earth. The fossil was found in the famous Rhynie Chert deposit in Scotland, a site known for its exceptionally well-preserved evidence of early ecosystems. Chapter 3. Reconstructing the Past in 3D. Using cutting-edge digital reconstruction techniques, the researchers were able to create the first ever 3D models of the leafy shoots of Asteroxylon macchiae. This was a huge leap forward because it allowed scientists to examine the leaf arrangements of these ancient plants in stunning detail. What they found was that the leaves and reproductive structures were arranged in non-Fibonacci spirals, patterns that are rare in plants today. Chapter 4. What this means for our understanding of plant evolution. This discovery is a game-changer. It suggests that the evolution of leaf spirals didn't follow a single path but instead diverged into at least two separate evolutionary routes. The ancient club mosses like Asteroxylon macchiae had a completely different evolutionary history compared to the major groups of plants we see today, such as ferns, conifers, and flowering plants. This challenges the idea that Fibonacci spirals were an ancient, conserved feature in land plants. Chapter 5. The Significance of this Breakthrough. Dr. Sandy Hetherington, the lead researcher on the project, emphasized just how groundbreaking this find is. Thanks to modern technology, we can now 3D print and hold a model of a 407 million-year-old plant in our hands. This gives us a new perspective on how these ancient plants grew and evolved, and it opens up exciting new avenues for research into plant evolution. In conclusion, this discovery not only reshapes our understanding of leaf evolution but also highlights the complexity and diversity of plant life from millions of years ago. The fact that non-Fibonacci spirals were common in these early plants shows just how much we still have to learn about the natural world and its history. Source: University of Edinburgh. So, what do you think about this mind-blowing discovery? Did you ever imagine that something as simple as a leaf spiral could have such a complex history? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest explorations into the wonders of science and nature. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.